Turn it on, otherwise it's gonna blow back in your face. All right, I'm having a coolant leak in my car. It's coming from somewhere in the coolant system, more so toward the passenger side of the engine. So I know, looking at the engine, it's not necessarily gonna be over this way. I know it's gonna be from the middle this way. So how am I gonna locate this? It's a very slow leak that leaks over time and not very much. So what I'm going to do is hook my shop back up to the blowout so it can blow and put pressure on the reservoir here and see if I can spot the leak. So what you want to do is don't turn it on yet. Go ahead and place it here. Place it there. Hold it while you turn it on, otherwise it's gonna blow back in your face. Alright, so now it's pressurized. Looking down in here for leaks. Found it. It's coming out of this little connection right here. So what I'm gonna have to do, take the water pump off, replace the gasket on this little connector right here, and we should be good to go. I can see it still kind of dripping down.